I'm Michael Leemann.
And I'm Britt, Spurka.
And we're going to start this off with point source and non-point source pollution. So point source pollution is a single identifiable source of pollution that waste is commonly discharged to rivers and the sea. An example of this is a pipe or a drain. Non-point source pollution results from land runoff, precipitation, atmosphere deposition, drainage, or hydraulic modifications. Examples of this are excess fertilizers, oil, grease, bacteria, and salt from irrigation.
Alright, so there are three major types of water pollutants, which are dirt, nutrients, and bacteria. The dirt comes primarily from soil depleting activities, which come with industrialization and such. The nutrients come together through runoff of fertilizers and animal wastes. And then the bacteria comes from buildup in sewers that can go into overflow and such. Alright, so for the three pollutants, dirt is the #1 pollutant in rivers and streams, which has a detrimental effect on the quality of water, which limits the ability to carry out photosynthesis, which is very, very bad for our ecosystem. Bacteria also has a really bad effect on water quality, which is detrimental to our drinking water. And then as far as nutrients, the two top pollutants are nitrogen and phosphorus, which cause algae to grow, which is really not good for our water quality and the quality of our drinking water.
We need to stop disturbing the land as little as possible, and for bacteria, cities and towns need to improve their sewage systems to prevent overflowing. And for nutrients, farmers need to learn new ways to apply fertilizer and manage their livestock. And now our special guest, Karlie Allen, will be joining us.
Hello. To test the levels of our three water pollutants, well, first to test dirt is by a pH test for acidity. And then you gotta give it a nice ball squeeze test for that texture. And for bacteria, by watching weight in cells or counting cells, that's how you test it. Daily, I will count bacteria cells. And the nutrients, calorie counting or kilocalorie counting, will help us every day.
Laws that govern water quality. One is the Clean Water Act of 1972, and that's designed to govern the water quality throughout the United States. One problem with that is that it doesn't address groundwater contamination, and that was actually fixed with the Superfund Act, which is also designed to clean up contaminated waste sites and also deals with water in the U.S.